Hey, Samantha here, about to talk about the movement of the body. So let's start. Dorsal inflection is the movement of which the toes are elevated in which you do the trim, and tail nose are up. And then when you point it down, this is called plantar flexion, is the movement of the foot that's pointed downward, like you're pressing a gas pedal or standing on your tippy toes. So now we're going to talk about the arms. The supination is right here, is normally prominent of the forearm movement. You also see later discussion of the foot movements. So supination, this is pronation, supination, pronation, supination. Because pronation is the opposite of moving, causing the palm to face posteriorly and downward of the radius to cross the uno, like the X. And supination is the primarily of the forearm movement, but you also see it later. This is also called extension, flexion, which is the movement that decreases the joint angle using the sagittal plane. Extension, flexion. Abduction is the movement of the body going outward. Abduction, adduction is moving to the frontal plane back towards the midline. Elevation is the movement of the body pointing in the vertical plane. So remember, elevation is moving your shoulders up. Could be like picking up a bag. And then downward, called also depression, is pointing those shoulders downward right here. So remember, elevation is up, depression is down. And then remember, circulum is the end of the remain fairly statatory, but you're making a kind of a small circular motion right here. Okay, we're doing a small circular motion. Now rotation is which the bone spurs of the lateral axis of the bicycle wheel. So just kind of think if you're doing a bicycle. Look, bicycle, because you're just kind of moving that body more inward. You're also moving kind of sometimes the leg and rotation, circular abduction, and then rotation. Protraction is kind of like you're pushing outward. Just remember that. And retraction is kind of pulling away from your body. So you're going to push like protraction. Retraction is coming back. Just remember, protraction, retraction of the body.